Don't want to spend money? Don't worry. In this quick video, I'll cover some of the best free software that will work for you in your daily work. Adobe Photoshop alternative is GIMP. It offers powerful photo editing with layers, masks, and filters without a subscription cost. It works across all major operating systems. Microsoft Office alternative is LibreOffice. It provides a complete Office suite compatible with Microsoft Office files. It's free and doesn't require an internet connection. Adobe Premiere Pro alternative is DaVinci Resolve. It offers professional video editing, color correction, and effects in one free application. The free version has some remarkable features. AutoCAD alternative is FreeCAD. It's a parametric 3D modeler for engineering projects and product design, without AutoCAD's hefty license fee. For SketchUp Pro 3D modeling, Blender supports 3D modeling, animation, rendering, and game creation with a thriving community. Adobe Acrobat Pro alternative is PDF Exchange Editor. It lets you view, edit, and annotate PDF documents with more features than most free PDF editors. QuickBooks alternative is Wave. It provides free, cloud-based accounting software with invoicing and receipt scanning designed for small businesses. Tableau alternative is Apache Superset. It's an open-source data visualization platform for creating interactive dashboards and business intelligence reports. Notion Premium alternative is Obsidian. Obsidian is a knowledge base working with plain text markdown files, excelling at creating interconnected notes without monthly fees. ExpressVPN alternative is Proton VPN. Its free plan offers secure VPN connections with no data limits or logging, created by the team behind Proton Mail. So these are some useful software options I've shared with you, which you can use for free. Please subscribe and like so I can make more useful videos like this.